This is Ryan and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be talking about that how you can create a custom mail and send messages. So without wasting time, let's dig into the video. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Chrome browser. I'm going to go to my cPanel, my website. Okay, the site is loading. Let's log in with the credentials. So as you can see, the username and password is correct. So logged in. Right here, we have to create. Right here, we have to create custom email. So if you're familiar with cPanel interface, then you will find it right here, the email account section. So you have to do, you have to click in here, then let's go to create, select the domain. I have a lot of domains here, so select whatever you want, give a username. So for now I'm giving paste then Sarker.com. Okay, and now I have to give a password. So let me give a password. You can type the storage space you want, or you can do unlimited here. Let's create. So as you can see, it is created. So what I'm going to do, tap on check email. It will take a little bit of time. Okay, now it is logging in into webmail. So I'm logged in. There are two clients, one is Horde and one is Round. But for me, I used to do round queue because it's kind of good interface. So as you can see, we already got a message here. But the email configurations, you can see the port numbers and the server, incoming server, and outgoing server, which is called SM. So let's compose an email. Let me message. Send it. So as you can see, it is sent. So let me check that whether it is sent or not. So hello friends, welcome back, and as you can see, the message already came. So hello, this is a test message, thank you. And you can see the mail. You can add the contacts. Date, subject, mail, right? So if you got a good SMTP server, then your emails won't go to spam folder. It will exactly go to the inbox. For me, I am using my own SMTP and it didn't charge me a lot of money. It was cheap. So if you want the service that I am using, just comment below. I will give them to you. Thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing. Have a nice day.